Today we're going to be teaching you how to make these Victorian puzzle purses just in time for Valentine's Day. First, you're going to start with a square piece of paper. You can use any size that you want. Then you'll take one corner, fold it up to the opposite corner, and make a crease along the bottom. Then you can repeat with the opposite corners. Then you'll take one of the edges, fold it in 1/3. So my square was 6 inches, so I measured to make sure each of the thirds were exactly 2 inches. Then you'll fold the opposite side of the paper the same. And once you're done folding that side, you'll turn the paper 90 degrees and repeat the thirds along those two sides as well. Once all of the thirds are folded, you're going to flip the paper over to the back side, take each corner and fold it to the top corner of the center square and crease only along the right half of the fold. Repeat this with each of the 4 corners. Then you can flip the paper back over, and using those last creases that you made on the back side, you can start pinching those in to create a pinwheel shape. It can be a little finicky the first time you fold it. Once you smooth down all those edges, you can start folding each of the corners in. And when you get to the last corner, you can take that and tuck it under the edge of the first corner that you folded. Then you can just open it back up and design each tab as you wish.